Are you looking for a way to make money online in 2025 but don't know where to start? Whether you want financial freedom, a side income, or even a full-time business, I've got you covered. Today, I'll break down 3 of the best online businesses for beginners, all with lowest startup costs and high potential. Amazon KDP, print on demand, and affiliate marketing. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share some pro tips to maximize your earnings. Number 1, Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP is one of the best passive income businesses, and the best part? You don't even need to be a writer. How it works. Amazon allows you to self-publish books for free, whether it's an ebook, paperback, or even a low-content book like journals and planners. Once uploaded, Amazon prints and ships the books for you when someone buys them, and you earn royalties. How to get a started one. Find a profitable niche, research what's selling well on Amazon. 2. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate book content. 3. Create an eye-catching book cover using Canva or hire a freelancer on Fiverr. 4. Publish your book on Amazon KDP and optimize your keywords. How much can you earn? Many people make $500 to $5,000+ per month, depending on their niche and book quality. Number 2, print on demand, POD. Print on demand is one of the easiest online businesses because you don't handle inventory, shipping, or upfront costs. How it works. You create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or phone cases. When someone orders, the POD company prints and ships the product, and you earn a profit. How to get started one. Sign up on Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. These platforms handle printing and shipping. 2. Create simple designs using Canva or Photoshop. 3. Upload your designs to your store and optimize them for search engines. 4. Promote your store on Pinterest, Instagram, or TikTok. How much can you earn? Some people make a few $100s per month, while others scale up to $10,000 plus by creating trending designs. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable and beginner-friendly online businesses. How it works. You promote other companies' products using a unique referral link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission without handling products, shipping, or customer service. How to get started one. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. 2. Choose a niche. Focus on a category like tech, fitness, or finance. 3. Promote through a blog, YouTube, TikTok, or social media. 4. Use AI to create content, blog posts, reviews, or even simple video scripts. How much can you earn? Commissions range from 5% to 50% per sale. Some affiliates make $1,000 to $50,000+ per month. These 3 business models, Amazon KDP, print on demand, and affiliate marketing, are the easiest ways for beginners to start making money online. You don't need experience, and you can start with 0 investment. Which business idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video on online business strategies. See you in the next video.